Hi, hey guys, it's Mark.
And Linda.
And these are our
X Adventures.
All right, where are we at today, Linda?
Why do you always ask me the same
You can
question?
ask me. Ask me, Linda.
We are at a castle in Osaka. It's called the Osaka Castle. It's pretty easy, huh?
Right.
And there it is.
There's
it's
the moat.
back there, actually.
Yeah,
Way back
actually,
there.
I'm going to whoop us around. And then this is the moat. I guess a guard post is up there at the top. There's a little guard post up there. I guess whoever's brave enough to try to make their way across this water, which is pretty substantial.
The ducks don't think it's scary.
The ducks love it. So
The ducks
for
could
you to get into
probably
this castle in the past,
climb.
you had to slide down this wall, swim across this water, and climb up that wall, which just seems like something you're not going to do. Anyway, so today, guys, we're going to be headed up to Osaka Castle, which is right there. Okay, you ready, Linda?
Yep.
Let's do this thing. It's quite beautiful. For 300 yen, you could ride that little trolley up to the castle itself. So that's kind of cool if you're disabled or you just don't want to walk out here in the cold like us idiots. Certainly do such a thing. Now, there are a few fun facts about this castle.
Like it's been built and rebuilt and doubly built.
Built and rebuilt and torn down and put back up. Oh, like usual. Look at what we've got.
There's always those
Yes,
cute
your
little
favorite
pups.
things, Linda.
And they're always the same ones. It's
Yeah,
like
they
they're,
always kind of have the same look.
yeah.
At least she's got sweaters on those, though.
Well,
All right, boo, you can't do drones. On the 20th, they'll have a
it's cold.
cherry blossom illumination festival.
Will we be here on the 20th?
I think we leave
On the
a
20th?
little after that, but we could potentially
So
be
why
here
are we
on the
here
20th.
today then if we're not going to get to see the cherry blossoms? We're just freezing our butts off.
Right, so we're here to see the castle, I guess, because we're certainly not seeing cherry blossoms. This bad boy was built in 1583. And just hold up, y'all. Ice cream man's coming through. How fun. So, when this castle was built in 1583, could they have ever imagined such a thing? Probably not.
So this was built in 1583.
Yes, by Toyotomi Hideyoshi.
So this guy, Toyotomi Hideyoshi, built this thing in 1583, huh?
Yeah. Wow, look at the size of these stones. That is massive.
Huge. How do you do that? All along there.
What is it? Whoa. Okay. So old Osaka. And then you pan over to new Osaka. So many ducks. Okay. Oh, you know what those little holes up there are for, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
I know. Fuck. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna climb up this thing. And why would somebody need such a thing? Well, because they would be able to have a very good place to shoot somebody that was out there. How neat. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to make that rough. All right, so. Linda's way down there.
What are you doing?
What's going on, Linda?
Dummy?
She hates it when I do things like this. All right.
Don't hurt yourself.
I'm not. Nice and easy.
Did you get something good?
I did. Oh, I got a dog with a little hat.
Yeah.
That dog's got a little hat.
Where? Right here.
Oh.
That's funny. Because that's so weird, you know? I might actually see that. All right, well, there it is, guys.
Well, there's an observation deck at the top.
Yeah.
What I was showing. All right, guys. Well, that was Osaka Castle.
All right.
And you have to pay to get in. So,
I'm
in
good.
true Mark and Linda fashion. We ain't paying. Okay. Anyway, we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Arigato gozaimasu.
Bye.
Bye-bye.